A truck with rear steerable dolly crossing a narrow bridge. Ooh.
You haven't seen this before?
No.
Oh, you're going to feel really satisfied afterwards.
Whoa.
Oh my
You're
God.
going to feel
'Cause I
so
did.
good after this.
The last time I
This
heard
is
that.
like this. This is a pinnacle of engineering.
I come into work. Lou, you're going to feel real satisfied. Come down here for a second.
With the brows?
After this, I'm like, I'm good. I'm good. I'm cool.
Oh, man.
I'm
So
cool.
right here.
I'm
Sit
cool.
right here.
That's so funny. He's only promising
I'm
a
cool.
pleasant time for you, but it's terrifying.
I'm cool. Nah, I'm cool. See you in a bit. It's all good.
Oh, man.
Okay,
All right, here we
go,
go.
go ahead. Go ahead.
Watch this truck. So there's a bridge that you look at this truck and you're just like, okay, this truck has a full of logs. It can't get across this bridge because it's like a 90-degree turn. And then the truck starts going, but I guess the other portion of it
It's
that's
still
holding
going
the end of
straight.
the logs
Nice.
can actually turn with it.
Oh,
Nice.
my God.
Amazing.
Almost in one full motion.
Perfect engineering.
Wow.
So purpose built
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
and so
Wow.
effective and such an impossible turn. It's engineering to the extent, and by the way, this is sped up because executing this is still not easy for this driver.
I don't
Yes.
know how sped up it is, though, because the
3x.
camera's not. Oh,
3 times.
it says it right there in the title.
That's right.
But, well, then the guy held the camera pretty still.
It doesn't It doesn't change the impressiveness of it.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
It's just like I think the engineering here is supporting the driver, but there's still some skill involved.
Of course.
Mhm.
I
You ever try to back up a truck with a trailer on it and you're backing it out? Like, you ever jackknifed it? No?
I have.
It's
Flopping
hard,
around,
man.
yeah.
It's so hard. I had to, like, give up halfway.
How about this? You ever launched a boat before?
No, I haven't. What is this
Well,
difference about?
it's the same idea, right? You have a
'Cause you have to
trailer,
back
but
it into the water.
the consequences are you gotta
A lot more dire.
you gotta get it, and often at a marina, like there could be a lineup.
Mhm.
Everybody's watching you,
Oh no, that's it. I'm done. People watching? I'm not doing it.
and it's the
I'm
same
asking the people who are watching.
It's the
Can
same
you do
idea as a
this?
trailer, and you have an opening. You have an opening, which is a ramp to the
Right.
water, which is roughly
Uh-huh.
the width of the boat. I mean, you can find a clip. People fully like sink their car trying to do this.
Really?
Here, Will, go give me just a quick YouTube boat launch fail. Yeah,
Uh-oh.
it's this is
thumbnail.
best boat ramp fails summer 2020. Oh man, it's all the time. It's all the time that it gets screwed up. And
Is
the
it hard to do?
well, there's water involved. Yeah, it's hard to do. It all depends on the setup. I mean, some places are easier than others. It's just not a thing that you're doing all the time. Like nobody's doing it all that much.
Right. So it's a skill hard to perfect.
But it's the carriage goes underwater, right?
Correct.
Not your truck.
Hopefully.
Why?
Hopefully.
Yeah. I don't know.
And because you
Maybe
have
it's-
all kinds of things at play, like weight and this extra turning associated with any trailer that's
Right,
happening
yeah.
at the hitch. And then you have the narrowness where you're also not trying to scrape the boat
Of course not.
on
You spent a lot of money on that boat.
either side.
Oh my God, this guy drove.
Oh, it happens, man. I'm telling you. Boat launch, boat ramp fails. It's
Oof.
so you don't want to be that guy.
No. Okay.
And often, like, if you have somebody else with you, they can kind of guide. But I've seen it in person. I've seen the fails in person. Seen it happen, and you don't have to watch that many to see it.
Right.
And like I said, it could be high stakes where everyone's trying to get their boat in at the same time, And like I've had to just, and I'm kind of exaggerating my own proficiency here because I've only launched Sea-Doos,
Okay.
at least that I can remember. And that's a lot smaller than a boat.
Mm-hmm.
And that's still stressful with everybody around taking your spot. But it's not this stressful. This guy with the lumber, whoa, that's another level to it. Got the whole load on there. That thing is, God knows how long that thing is. And he's got this variety of pivot points here. Beautiful stuff.
Satisfied?
I've never been so satisfied.
Okay, good.
Satisfaction
Yeah.
guaranteed.